You announce our background.
That's effort. Okay, next we have Hill Tribe. Who has heard of Hill Tribe before? Make some noise. Excited to hear about Hill Tribe. Yeah. Tutor in the background. Yeah. So Hill Tribe consists of 3 street poets, Dua, Trigonometry, and Nostalgic. And they are a hip-hop group in Minnesota. So let's make some noise for Hill Tribe.
Yeah. Yo. Hey, yo, check this out. I just got one question for y'all. Who's here ever heard of how many ex-officer Jason Anderson? Oh my God. I think they could be louder than that, right? For Jason Anderson, ex-officer Jason Anderson. Let me hear a boo! Yeah, that's right. And fellas, y'all know we from Minnesota, right? And y'all know we here to stay, right? Make some noise! Let's go, boy! Put 'em up, we come from Minnesota. You try only to know. Windows down, rolling down, Santa Fe, with the flex on high, living fly with my sunshine. We come from Minnesota, we fly where we come over. We come from overseas, got that green card to show ya. We shot at season target, we shot at fleet bargain. Reverse my car, talking in the driveway is started. All I wanna do is Uber, I said. Now all I wanna do is pull with my set. Stop questioning my life, yeah. Shooting all my rights down. All I want in life is a big ball of right now. Yeah, people talk like they gon' lose. Yo, who put the valley down? When you know the grip from the alleys of the Thank everybody for coming out tonight, supporting the cause. Now, this next song is dedicated to Brother Family and his family. And it's called Dear Friend. So if you know the words, sing along. Feel free to sing along. Yeah. You got your lighters and your cell phones out there. Put it in the sky one time for Brother Family. I wonder if I see you again. Will we talk where we left off? Could we sit side to side? Would we just pretend it didn't walk on by? So how you been? Hurt you married in, gotta get to. Hurt you still trying to find a life, so did you? And hope for one day our kids can play in an environment where me and you can retire. Don't take when you're huffing. My favorite song next to my favorite band. Believe I could since you wanna be 18 again. Picking this guitar make me wanna sing again. So thank you, hello, to you and yours. To you and you, especially you, of course, for understanding the faith inside of me. Cause without you, without your friend, there are things that I remember. Late night walking down the cold December. I heard you talk about who you wanted to be, and I wondered if there was any room for me. Dear friend, there are things that I remember. Late night walking down the cold December. I heard you talk about who you wanted to be, and I wondered if there was any room for me. It's 3-4 years now, I got to see you go from what you used to be to who you really are. You came with this really hot flow. No regrets, it made us who we are. Some people take like years now to climb heights here, but we made it now. Welcome to your mindset. And when you're hardest, they say it's the hardest. Bro, you have to travel just to find this. So first off, congrats on the baby, homie. And to my brother, keep it strong, let's get it, homie. To hope that makes the sun, just let us from the better side of me. Beneath the guilt, feels and everything you used to hide me. To find me, the shield that won't let my pride bleed. So, thanks to those opposed to those who navigate us hope. To those who took the clothes, all telling us we go. Dear friend, there are things that I